How to build a Wix website for free in 10 minutes for beginners. Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can create a website for free for less than 10 minutes using Wix Website Builder. Wix is one of the best website builder software nowadays that can help you create a different website. It can be a portfolio website, blog website, or e-commerce website. This software can help you. So here you can create a free website, but for a free account, your website domain name will have a Wix domain. For example, instead of yourwebsite.com, your website domain will be yourwebsite.wixsite.com. If you want to remove the wixsite.com subdomain, then you need to upgrade your plan to the premium plan. And here under pricing, you can see all the plans that they have, and you can choose any from this plan. So the cheapest plan is $4.50 per month to $24.50 per month. And that is for your website plan, but there is also a different plan for business and e-commerce. So for business and e-commerce, the cheapest is $17 per month up to $35 per month. So let's just try to create a free plan for now. So if you haven't created an account yet, then let's just create an account. For those who already have an account, then go ahead and skip this part. So from here, Wix homepage, go to Get Started, and you'll be redirected to Login page. For those who have an account, you can directly log in here. And for those who don't have an account yet, then click here, Sign Up. And here on the left side, you can enter the email that you want to connect your Wix account to. And you can provide your own password here. But you may also sign up with your Google account or Facebook account. This is much easier for you. And then just follow the simple instruction. So I already created my account here. So let me just go ahead and log in. So once you sign up successfully, then you will be prompted to the dashboard. So this is your dashboard. And over here in your home dashboard, you can see all the website that you created from this account. So these are some of the website that I created. And to create a new website, just go here, create a new site. And a new window will be pop up. So just wait for a moment. And you'll be asked this question, what are you looking to do? And let me select create new website. And then here, what kind of website are you creating? I will just select online store, but it will depend on you. And then I will just select online store again. And next question, what do you want to add to your website? So these are like features on your website. As we can see here, you may add chat, forms, and view room. And down here, you can also add more like bookings, events, blogs, and many, many more. So just select whatever you feel that you may need in your online store and then just hit next. And from here, you have these two options. Here on the left side, you let Wix ADI or Artificial Design Intelligence to create your website for you. Or here on the right side, you can create a website with the editor. The difference between the two is that the ADI or Artificial Design Intelligence, you cannot choose templates for your website. ADI will automatically generate a website design for you based on the information that you provided for your website. And for this second option, create your website with the editor, you may choose templates and you can create your own design. So for today's video, I will choose create your website with the editor. So let's hit this button. Over here, pick the website template you love the most for your online store. You have different templates here that you can select from. And let me choose this first accessories store here. And just wait because it may take a little time to set up your online store. And now here's your e-commerce store template. And over here on your left side are your tools. First to add, so you can add mostly everything here that you want to add in your website. And you can find it here. You may add text, images, button, gallery, add another menu, an anchor, add social media links, and many, many more. So next is your menu and pages. Here, You can manually add pages and arrange your menu. You can easily select page and drag and drop to arrange it. And by moving the page to the right side, it can be then sub page like this FAQ is now under contact. And by moving it to the left again, it will no longer under contact, but it's another separate page. So after that, over here is your site design. Here you can change the color and the text theme, page color, and the page transitions. So this is how your page transition when it switches to another page. So you have your options here to select from. And next is the Wix App Market. Here you can download other apps or plugins that you can use in your e-commerce store, but you need to first get the premium plan to do it. And here your media where you can upload your own photos, videos, or you can also check the Wix images and videos down here. Then here is your Wix blog. You can write some blog, and when you start creating blog, a blog page will be automatically added to your menu page. And here under My Store is where you can set up your e-commerce store and start selling. And here under My Store is where you can set up your e-commerce store and start selling. You can start adding your product photos, customize your gallery like how your customers see your product list, set up your payment method, orders and inventory, and also set up your marketing tools. And lastly is your Ascend business tools. Here you can set up and manage your email marketing plan. And up here is where you can switch from desktop view to mobile view. So now we are in the desktop mode. If you select mobile mode, it will change to mobile view. And you can also edit your website for mobile view. And you have your tools here again to edit your website for mobile view. And if you make any changes in your website, always save it here. Click this save button. And if you undo the changes, you have your undo and redo options here. And once you are satisfied with the setup of your e-commerce store, just simply click this publish button and you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, this is your free domain name. And since it's free, you will have the wixsite.com added in your web domain. But if you want to remove it, you need to upgrade your Wix plan to any of their paid plans. So let's just take a look under plans price very quickly before we end this video. So here you have two group or set of plans, and currently we are in the website plans. This is ideal for bloggers, company websites, or personal websites. But for e-commerce store, here's the plan. Just click here for business and e-commerce store. The cheapest is the basic business plan for $17. Then next is the business unlimited for $25. And lastly is the business VIP for $35. This plans is for monthly payment. And over here, you can see the comparison of each plan. So you may check each of these plans features. And you may also get 14 days free trial to learn the software and see if what are the features that you really need in your e-commerce store. So personally, for me, Wix is really good to create a website if you are beginners or you still trying to build and grow your business. Then Wix is perfect for you for your startup. But once you grow your business, then I recommend to use other software like Equid instead, because Wix.com, they have a lot of locking features for e-commerce store, and Equid is really perfect or good software to use for e-commerce. So that is my personal recommendation, but it's gonna be still up to you since it's your business. So that's how easy and fast you can create your own website here using the Wix website builder. And you must prepare all the text, images, and videos that you need to add in your website before you create your website. And you can also, by the way, search on Google different website design ideas for inspiration and just go to images like this for you to have an idea about the website design that you want for your website. So and also for you to finish your website right away. And I guess that's all for today's video, how to build a Wix website for free in 10 minutes or less for beginners. So if you have any question, guys, just comment down below, and I hope you learned something from this video, and thank you for watching.